Oh.
Goodness. That was a big one. Just relax the shoulder. And just let go. Wow. Just let go. Very good. You knew that one was coming, didn't you?